Welcome to the Explainer. So, if your team is just completely buried in project management woes, constantly hitting software limits and staring down those expensive, mandatory upgrades, well, you are in exactly the right place. Today, we're looking at Wekan. It's the absolute heavyweight champion of mature, open source Kanban boards. It is a tool that's truly transforming how teams organize their work, and I am absolutely thrilled to break it down for you today.
Here's our roadmap for today. First, the Trello transition problem. Second, meet Wekan open source. Third, features and daily workflow. Fourth, security, hosting, and costs. Fifth, mastering the migration. And finally, the final verdict.
Okay, let's dive into this. Section 1, the Trello transition problem, hitting the paywall.
Think about your own workflow for a second here. What actually happens when your team outgrows a free platform like Trello? I mean, you've spent years building out your processes, your checklists, your highly specific labels, and then, boom, you hit that hard board limit. As a modern team, you're essentially forced into a corner, right? You either have to pony up and start paying hefty monthly subscription fees, or you have to scramble to find a viable alternative. It's an incredibly frustrating position to find yourself in.
But as we all know, making that switch isn't exactly a walk in the park. When you manage complex visual workflows, your team needs deep customization options. You also require proven stability. Plus, real-time collaboration is absolutely essential. You literally can't have team members looking at outdated information. Now, sure, there are a ton of newer open-source alternatives popping up on the market, but let's be honest, they can often be a bit too minimalist or, frankly, just too risky for a demanding production environment. You need a mature platform, which brings us perfectly to our solution.
Section 2. Meet Wekan open source, the mature alternative. Wekan is undeniably the hero of our journey today. And look, this isn't some weekend side project or a risky, untested experiment. It's actually been in active development since 2016. That is nearly a decade of continuous, real-world improvement. It's released under the highly permissive MIT license, meaning it is completely free to self-host and modify to your heart's content. Under the hood, it's built on the Meteor JavaScript framework. That's the engine that gives it those lightning-fast, real-time updates across all connected users. Plus, it is backed by a massive active community. This is a battle-tested platform that's ready for the heavy lifting. Moving right along to Section 3, features and daily workflow. Familiarity meets flexibility.
Let's talk about what this actually feels like to use day to day. Now, what's really interesting here is that Wekan's biggest structural advantage is that it uses the exact same boards, lists, and cards layout that you probably already know. It perfectly replicates that familiar Trello metaphor. Why does this matter so much? Because it makes team onboarding incredibly intuitive. Your team doesn't have to sit down and learn a completely new visual language or some new operational methodology. They just log in and they instantly know how to move their work forward.
But we can actually take things a step further with a really cool feature called Swimlanes. Basically, a swim lane is a horizontal category within the same board, used to track multiple work streams simultaneously. It's like adding a whole new dimension to your board. To give you a fantastic real-world example straight from our sources, a 15-person operations team actually used these exact swim lanes to separate their work streams for different regional offices. They managed all of those distinct locations beautifully without ever having to leave a single unified board. Down at the card level, you get everything you expect to keep projects moving along. We're talking checklists and due dates, custom labels and fields, and file attachments. You even get different perspectives with built-in calendar and list views. But the real standout feature? Built-in time tracking. Team members can literally log their hours directly against specific cards. That is a massive, immediate workflow upgrade right out of the box, something a lot of paid tools still charge extra for. Section 4, security, hosting, and costs. Taking back your budget. It is time to talk about the concrete financial and technical realities of making this switch. $1,800. That's a pretty dramatic number, isn't it? Let me put that into perspective for you. If you have that same 15-person operations team on a paid business class tier with a commercial tool, you could easily be spending around $150 every single month. But self-hosting Wekan on a properly sized server that typically runs just $25 to $45 a month. Doing the math, you're looking at an annual savings of up to $1,800. You're completely eliminating that recurring software licensing cost. Of course, so the crucial point is we need some radical honesty about what self-hosting actually entails. On the pro side, you gain total data ownership simply because everything lives on your own infrastructure. You also get robust role-based permissions and fantastic API and webhook integrations for automation. But on the limitation side, well, you have to actually handle the hosting environment.
That requires familiarity with standard web and database engines, specifically Node.js and MongoDB. The UI is perfectly functional, but maybe slightly less polished than the newest commercial startups out there. And most importantly, you are fully responsible for ensuring regular manual backups of your database.
To put this into a broader context, let's do a really quick head-to-head comparison to help you match your specific operational needs to the right tool. When looking at open source options, Wekan is undeniably best if you want that exact Trello familiarity and deep card-level features. On the flip side, a tool like Board might be a better fit if your main goal is tight integration with Mattermost Chat, or if your team just has incredibly simple, lightweight needs.
Section 5. Mastering the migration. From frustration to freedom. Project managers, I hear you. I know the very idea of moving your historical data can spark fears of a full-blown team rebellion. But let me reassure you. One team noted, and I quote, "Using Wekan's Trello import tool, the entire board structure, cards, labels, and checklists were migrated with minimal manual rework." Going back to that 15-person ops team anecdote for a second, they had years of incredibly detailed workflow history, and they safely ported the whole shebang over. It really works. Let's see how this builds into a simple, foolproof roadmap for your own transition. Step 1. Always test your import on a staging instance first. You want to ensure your specific advanced setups transfer exactly as expected. Step 2. Run both your old tool and Wekan in parallel for 1 to 2 weeks. This just confirms smooth team adoption without any unnecessary panic. Step 3. Fully retire the old account. Because this dedicated import tool is so automated, most teams get through this entire migration comfortably within a couple of weeks. To make absolutely sure you feel 100% equipped for this, here are some rapid-fire migration pitfalls to avoid. First, whatever you do, do not skip the import tool. Recreating boards manually is just a massive waste of your time. Second, introduce those powerful swim lanes gradually. Don't overwhelm your team with complexity on day 1. Third, standardize your custom labels early to keep your filtering meaningful. And finally, for sure, set up your MongoDB database backups immediately. Your operational history is way too important to lose to a random server hiccup.
Section 6. The final verdict. Is Wekan right for you?
Let's bring all this information together for one final objective assessment. You know, the single most frequent question teams ask before pulling the trigger is this: how closely does Wekan actually match Trello in the real world?
Well, the answer is clear. Very closely. For core functionality, it is without a doubt the most direct open-source Trello alternative available today. That exact functional parity, the fact that it acts and feels just like the tool your team already knows, is truly Wekan's ultimate superpower. So here is the verdict. Yes, setting it up requires some technical comfort with Docker and MongoDB. But when you look at functionality per dollar spent, it is absolutely unmatched. You're basically getting premium features for the cost of basic hosting. And because of its massive community and nearly a decade of continuous development, you get highly dependable, long-term scalability. Honestly, if you want the closest free match to Trello's actual functionality, Wekan is your best option. I'll leave you with this final provocative thought. Are you ready to reclaim your workflow data and eliminate those frustrating subscription costs entirely? Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. I really hope this gave you a clear, structured roadmap for upgrading your project management toolkit and taking back control. Next time, we're going to look at Plane, a sleek, modern open-source tracker designed specifically for product and engineering teams. Until then, keep learning, keep optimizing, and I'll catch you on the next explainer.